Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the Desmos graphing calculator. For those of you in my class, if you go into your Google Classroom and you click on the classwork tab, and we're going to be looking for the materials and links. So under the materials and links, we're going to scroll down and you'll see something that says Desmos graphing calculator. So you can just click on that link and that's going to open it. The other thing that you can do is if you just actually go to any search engine and type in desmos.com and it'll bring up the calculator and you can go in that way as well. So a couple things that I want to go over very quickly on what you can do with this. First, I want to show you just the little arrows here that's going to either hide or bring back your side screen. Our little plus sign is going to allow us to put in a variety of things. Let's first take a look at making a table. So whenever making a table, notice it gives us our x and our y, our independent and our dependent variable. And let's say we want to plot 0, 0. And if we notice over here, it's plotted at point 0, 0. Let's say we want to plot 1, 3, 2, 6, or even 10 and 60. Now you'll notice whenever I plot the 10 and 60 that it's not showing up on the screen. Looking over on the right side, we'll see a plus and a minus. These are going to allow you to either zoom in or zoom out. So I'm going to zoom out, and notice as soon as I zoom out, I have this home button that shows up, which will actually take me back to where I started with. So I'm going to keep zooming out, and now I can see my point of 1060. Again, if I want to go back, I'm just going to click on my home button, which will take me back to my original zoom. Another feature with the table is if you come over here, you hover over, and you click on this, you can actually change the color of your points. And if you actually hold down on it, it gives us a couple other options. So we can go red points, blue points, purple, whatever you want. You can even draw a line that's going to pass through all of your points. So if we zoom out now, we can see that it's connected all of our points. One thing to note is that it will connect them in the order that you've placed them in here. So had I had 1060 here, it would have went from 0, 0 to 1060, then to 1, 3, then to 2, 6, kind of like connect the dots. If you want to get rid of everything that you've got, you can just click on the X. Let's also take a look at writing an equation. So I'm going to go up here and click on the expression. And let's say I've got an equation that's comparing my independent and dependent variables. So I know that my dependent variable, let's say that it equals 2 times my independent variable plus 3. So I'm going to zoom back into my original piece, and we can see that we have that. Coming over and just changing a piece of this changes my line. If I want to add a second line, say y equals negative 2x. So we can add as many lines as we want, and again, we have the option of not showing it, or even changing the color. You can even make it a dotted line or broken line. Okay, I'm going to again zoom out and bring it back to the home page.